In this video, I'm going to show you how you get access to all your chat history on Snapchat. That's every chat you've made since you created that Snapchat account. Simple and easy to do that. Open your profile like this, tap on your setting button, top right corner of the screen, and you scroll to the bottom to the last option, and you can see logout, and then my data. Just tap on the my data. Good. So all you're going to do is you're going to request data. Snapchat is going to send it to us, and we are going to see all the history, something like that. So you can see chat history here. Toggle that on. Good. And even if you toggle that on, you're going to see your snap histories too as well, because it's part of chat history. So toggle that on, you tap on the next here, and you select a time frame. So maybe you want it between 1st January to 12th January, or like whole year, last week or something, time frame. Just select that and you tap on the submit. And yes, you're going to get a notification that your data will be on the way. You get a notification, you click on it, and you get access to all your chat history on Snapchat. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.